Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to bake some chewy brownies. Let's see what are the ingredients we need for this. 115 grams butter, 200 grams sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 60 gram cocoa powder, 60 gram flour, pinch of salt, half a teaspoon baking powder, 90 grams chocolate chips. Let's see how I'm going to make this. First of all, melt your butter. I missed to record that part. In a separate bowl, on the sieve I put my all the dry ingredients, which are flour, cocoa powder, pinch of salt, baking powder, and sieve it. Then I add sugar to it along with the vanilla extract, eggs, and melted butter, and then start to beat. I use the hand beater here. In the middle of the beating, I just stop the beater and scrape off the bowl sides and the bottom part to get all the ingredients cooperate together. Then one more time I'm start to beat. Now the batter is ready. I'm going to pour it onto the baking tray. I took here 8 by 8 inch tray which I was greased and dusted with the flour, and half of the batter I just pour onto the tray and spread evenly, and sprinkles with the chocolate chips to it, and rest of the batter I just pour in top of that. And I'm going to spread evenly and make sure you're not digging the chocolate chips here to there. Just only the final layer of the batter you are going to spreading here. Once it's done, I'm going to bake it at 175 degrees preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Once it's ready, you can see how it was raised, and within a few minutes it will set. Screw it and check the readiness. Sometimes you can see inside, you feel it's like a little bit sticky. Maybe you poke onto the chocolate pieces because it's already melted, so make sure poke it to the other side and check the readiness. Once it's done, I was rest in the cooling rack for a couple of minutes and start to cut it off. I just use the shredder knife, which is easiest to cut off any kind of cake materials, and I have cut here like 9 pieces. It was delicious and chewy and very rich in a taste. You should try this. In this video, I'll end up my today session. I hope to see you in my next tutorial. Please stay tuned to my channel. Until then, bye from Chef Fatima Shifnaz.